Ish, look at him. They are all pointing fingers and laughing at him, saying, "Look at this one. He is terrified of girls. That is why he is always sleeping alone in his bed." But wait. Listen to how he sings back to them. He stands up straight, wipes his eyes, and declares, "I will not cry. I will not cry." He is refusing to let the fear of heartbreak or the intimidation of love knock him down. It is a playful tease from his brothers, yes, but deep down, it is a song about a young man building his courage, learning to stand strong, laugh at himself, and face the scary, beautiful world of love without shedding a tear.